Would you like to learn how to make some super delicious air fryer baby back ribs? Just like this? You would? Good. Because in this episode of the Lisa D's Delight Show, I'm going to show you how to do it.
Lisa D Delight.
Let's get started by removing the membrane from the back of the baby back ribs. We need to take off the membrane because it can be tough and chewy, and also it doesn't allow the seasonings to penetrate through the meat. But it comes off pretty easy. Just take a butter knife, find a gap, stick it through the skin, and use a paper towel to get a good grip and pull it on off. Next, let's season up the baby back ribs. I'm going to use some Hickory brown sugar seasoning. I go lightly on the back of the ribs though because there isn't much meat back there. But it is good to press the seasoning down into the meat so that it can be up and stuck. Now let's flip the ribs and season the other side. First, I'm going to add a little olive oil to help the seasoning adhere. And rub it up, rub it down real good. After you've gotten all of the seasoning on the ribs, it's good to let it marinate overnight. But if you don't have that type of time, at least try to let it marinate for a few hours in the fridge. Press that seasoning down on in. Now let's bump this yumminess up to heavenly levels by adding some butter and some honey to the ribs. Yup, I ain't come up in this kitchen today to play with you, child. Now I'm gonna wrap up the ribs tightly with aluminum foil. I'm going to be using my air fryer oven. It actually has a rib setting, but if you have a regular air fryer, just pop the ribs right on in your air fryer basket. I like using this air fryer though because it cooks the ribs low and slow, which kind of guarantees that they come out juicy and moist. So we're gonna let the baby back ribs cook at 250 degrees for 4 hours. So now the ribs have been cooking for 4 hours, and this is what it's giving. They looking mighty good to me, but now it's time to sauce them on up. You know we gotta hit them with that Sweet Baby Ray's. Sometimes I make homemade barbecue sauce, but Sweet Baby Ray's is so good, I'd be like, why bother? Work smarter, not harder, beloved. Now I have gotten the baby back ribs all sauced up, and we just have to pop them back in the air fryer real quick so that the sauce could get tacked up. She only needs a quick 10 at 400 degrees. And after that, it can look a little something like this.
Lisa D Delight.
My God, forever. Won't he do it? Yes, he will, all the time. These air fryer barbecue baby back ribs really came out so good. Nice and flavorful, juicy and tender. It was really worth that 4-hour wait. This is actually my 3rd time doing ribs in the air fryer, and all 3 times was a big hit. I saw some videos of people doing ribs in the air fryer for only 30 minutes. That don't sound right to me. The kitchen is the wrong room for hard meat. Okay, I'll let y'all try that one out and report back. Anywho, I hope you enjoyed the recipe. After all, I was just trying to help your palate. God bless you. Bye-bye.
Subscribe and you make it so good. Make sure you like and subscribe.